Up for sale, 1954 Hudson Hornet Special, number matching twin H power, factory Hydramatic automatic. Gonna walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it, so believe it or not. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the video. If you do like the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. I am so proud to offer this car for sale right now. I don't mean to babble on about it, talk about it. 54 Hudson Hornet Special. It's a one repaint, 95% rust-free car that runs and drives like a dream. Number matching twin H power. Hydramatic. The dash is gorgeous. As far as survivors go, the dash is gorgeous. So, you know, it's a one repaint, and this is the original color. This beautiful peach. You can kind of see that beautiful peach color. I know it's inside the trunk lid. And the paint, it's a 54, so it was close to 70 years old. It was probably first painted in the late 60s, early 70s, I would have to say. So there's obviously there's various checking on the car, fading, but here's an idea. This is all steel right there. That's steel. There's zero Bondo. Absolutely no Bondo anywhere on the car. There's very few rust bubbles on the car. The only little bubbles... Actually, you know what? Let me start in order here, like I always do. I don't mean to jump all over the place. I am very excited about this car. All original, chrome and trim. Nothing's missing. Like, I'm telling you, this whole thing, steel. Let me pop the hood, show you what you're all here for. Here we go. Number matching twin H power. It's the 308 cubic inch. As you see there, VIN stamped right there. I have a picture of that. I'll flash it right now. Number matching. This original compartment is beautiful. Obviously these are new or restored, more than likely new. Highly original. Even the underhood's gorgeous. I mean, that's probably the original pad from 1954 with remnants there. Beautiful control arm. The frame has zero rust. There's no rust anywhere on the frame. I said 95% rust-free because there's a few bubbles on the car, and there's 2 soft spots underneath the car, and that's it. I'm telling you, I don't know where this car was kept, how it was preserved this well. I'm thrilled. I love this car. I love this car. I love this car. If I didn't have to sell it, I wouldn't. I would keep this. There are no bubbles here. No bubbles anywhere down here. There's 2 bubbles right there. No bubbles there. The only bubbling on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a little bit of small cluster right there. That's it. So this whole side of the car has no rust, and obviously no Bondo. The interior, however, probably done 70s, late 70s. I couldn't tell you really. Nice condition for the age of the car. Door jambs are beautiful. The one repaint original door jambs are gorgeous for being original. No rust. The stainless down here is excellent. The door panels are very nice. You know, a little bit of shredding down there. That's going to happen on something that's 70 years old and that's only been redone once. Excuse me. Another excellent rust-free door jamb. And here's that original paint that I was telling you. Peach. I don't know what it is. I would have loved to have seen the car in that color. But as far as survivors go, survivor-like cars, the dash on this car is beautiful. Beautiful. The chrome is beautiful. The stainless is beautiful. The glass gauge cluster is gorgeous. All of the trim is beautiful condition. And the original Hornet heater or Hornet weather control. The under dash is gorgeous. The wiring's intact. You know, in almost 70 years, cars are susceptible to like being molested, chopped up. It's amazing to see something in this condition. And the dash beam is beautiful too. 88,911. That's without a doubt original miles on this car. The headliner's in excellent condition. Front bench seats really nice too. I mean, the people who owned this car before had it for 27 years. Here's a little handle for the back seat and a pouch. Nice carpet. Again, I'm telling you, this car is really cool. There's the back seat. So the twin H power is 170 horsepower, 308 5.0 liter. All the glass is excellent. All the trim, stainless, like this kind of trim, very nice condition. And the top of the car, definitely repainted most recently. I'd have to say 90s. Just throwing that out there, that's an idea. You know, probably that faded much more than the rest of the car, so they kind of freshened that up a little bit, painted it white. Let me see something. That opens up as it should. Hold on. I didn't do it all the way. Here we go. Carrying on with the car, I will grab the key. The way I look at this car and the way I think about this car, and I guess I don't want to call these bubbles, but a little bit of like chipping on this area. That's definitely not rust. I mean, I have the fender skirts for it. I took it off because I put brand new tires on it so you can drive it with no issues. All new brakes, so it brakes nicely. Rebuilt master cylinder and rebuilt the fuel pump. Just quickly, I wanted to throw this in as I was going through other new parts on the car. It has more recent shocks with new bushings. All new front suspension bushings too. So the handling, like let me see quickly. Like here, all new bushings here. This here, identical on the other side, and in the back there's newer bushings as well. So there you go. Here's the back of the car now. Again, all the chrome is very presentable for almost 70 years old. Obviously, you know, in this time you're going to have marks on it, certain little areas of pitting. But to see everything here, all the logos here, stuff that you can't find anymore. You cannot find a gas tank for this car. 51 to 53, I believe you can find. You cannot find 54. Look at that. Solid steel right there. Pop the trunk. I don't know which one it is. Nope. Definitely not that one. Nope. Okay. This trunk's amazing. No patches, no rust holes, no rust, no rot. You got a spare. You got the fender skirts. Again, like I said, I took them off because we put new tires on them. No rust. That's the original color, by the way. This underhood, this beautiful peach. Closes like it should. As far as rust bubbles go, continued. Same corner on this side. 3, 4, 5. And a little bigger kind of a bubbling right there. That's it for this whole section here. Down the car, I don't think there's anything else. So we're talking highly preserved. Highly preserved. I don't mean to keep rambling on about it. Again, like I said, I am very excited about the car. I do think this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a car like this, in this condition, the way it runs and drives. Again, with the preservation. Okay, I'll stop saying that. The way I looked at this car when I found it, people could be looking their entire life for something so clean, so original, untouched, with the credentials of the twin H-Power factory automatic. You know, drive it as it is. I thought about clearing in this paint and just keeping it the way it looks. There's a lot of options you can do with this. You're not limited. Both windows, even the back ones, go up and down as they should. As they should. I will show you. Did you see that? Yeah. Boom. Again, pouch, back seat, a little squeaky seat. Here's the original VIN tag in the door. I will focus that in for you. 631816. That is the same number that appears in the title, as well as the same number that appears on the motor. Now it's a little hard to see with the shading here. Give me 1 second. Can't see it, whatever. There's no rust. Let me come in again on this side of the dash. We'll be up for sale later today. NextGenClassicCars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. Go on, check it out. If you have any interest, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as you can. Amazing car, really. We're going to fire it up in a second here. And I see right here 2 bubbles. And then I don't know if that's a weld or something right there. Other than that, though, as far as rust goes, that's it. Like I said, 95% rust-free. Survivor-like condition. 1954 Hudson Hornet Special Twin H-Power Factory Hydramatic. Thanks for watching, and like I said, we'll fire it up and then we'll drive it. Thank you. All right, here we go. 308 Twin H-Power motor, your dual carb. We're going to fire it up right now.